So I had a renter crack my taillight on my 2010 Boxster. Got these from eBay. It's a 718 style LED black taillights for, I believe, 2009 to 2012 Porsche Boxsters, 987 Caymans. I guess it's from Taiwan. This is what the box looks like. Looks like it's really well packed. Shouldn't be any damage. Bubble wrap, foam. It's very well packed. Even after the bubble wrap was taken off, there's still the shrink wrap and these foam pads protecting it for shipment. That's what it looks like up close. It's quite heavy. Usually heavy means good quality. We'll see. I guess when you install it, you got to take this pad off or peel this paper off, and it'll be sticky underneath, and it goes back onto this. Most importantly, DOT SAE, that's printed on there. A lot of safety check places. They're going to need that to pass you. Spyder Sonar. So this is the passenger side. That's a stock one with the crack going all the way down here. Flip it to the back. Mounting points look correct. Got that plug right there, 6-pin, and that's a 6-pin there. That's the info on it. Ordered it on May 9th. $500.52. It's delivered on May 30th. 718 style LED. $478. The rest was shipping. Actually, the shipping was free. The tax was $22.52, which came out to $500.52. And this is the listing for it. I guess the price went up to $539 with the tariffs.